Since the iPhone 17 is here, now rumors are heating up around the iPhone 18. And this time, it's not about AI or titanium frames, it's about the camera. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite place for all the tech updates. Apple may be adding a variable aperture lens to the primary shooter of iPhone 18, a feature which is more common in high-end DSLR cameras. Sounds impressive, it is, but is it actually useful on a smartphone? That's where things get difficult. The rumor obtained by trusted analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and now echoed by Apple's supply chain hints at the iPhone 18 taking a serious step forward in camera hardware. Although variable aperture could let the phone adjust how much light hits the sensor, which is great for balancing exposure and artistic effects like background blur, but the thing is, smartphones don't really need that. Unlike full-frame cameras, which require aperture adjustments to control depth of field and manage low light, the iPhone's tiny 1.28-inch sensor already captures everything in focus, whether you want it or not. That's why Apple and other phone makers rely on software like portrait mode to simulate background blur, so adjusting a smartphone's aperture won't give you the dramatic changes you get with a DSLR. Still, there are some benefits like reducing harsh light or improving sharpness in bright scenes, but it's more like a spec sheet flex than a usable feature. So yes, the iPhone 18 might technically close the gap between phones and pro cameras just a little bit more, but don't expect your next Instagram post to suddenly look like it was shot with a $3,000 DSLR. Are you waiting for more iPhone 18 hints to drop? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.